Hi everyone. Just want to sort of get rid of some confusion on this particular roundabout. Obviously, as you approach a roundabout that's got a sign like this, you should be looking at the roundabout sign. First and foremost, it's going to let you know how many exits there are and sort of the rough position of where those exits are on the roundabout. As you can see with this one clearly, we're always going to approach a roundabout from the big black line that points sort of from the bottom of the sign up to the roundabout. We call it the 6 o'clock position. Where this sign says Leon the Solent at the top, we call that 12 o'clock. So anything before the 12 o'clock position is deemed a left turn. Anything after the 12 o'clock position is deemed a right turn. But you can notice here, on the bit that says Stokes Bay Alverstoke Household Waste Recycle Centre, there's a little black line compared to the other two exits. So when we talk about these little black marks, they're deemed as minor exits, not major exits. Major exits are the bigger lines, minor exits are the smaller lines. So when it comes to the roundabout itself, minor exits do not relate to the arrows that are on the road. So whatever you see on the road is relating to the major exits, not the minor exits. So as we carry on down the road here, you'll see that on this particular roundabout we have a dual lane approach, and in the left hand lane there is a turn left arrow, and in the right hand lane there is a head arrow. Now these are head arrows have caused massive amounts of confusion by a lot of people, mainly because they've ditched a lot of the right turn arrows. This was allegedly meant to be to remove any confusion for European travellers who think they can go round a roundabout anti-clockwise. So here we are, we're at the roundabout. And you can see there's a left arrow, there's a head arrow. And that continues on right up to the roundabout. And of course the first thing you'll see when you get to the roundabout is that there is an exit to the left. Well, this is the minor exit. Then there is an exit which is exit 2, which is the one to Stokes Bay, and then there is exit 3, which is on the opposite side of the roundabout towards Stubbington. Now naturally people tend to think that this left arrow means you must turn left. Well, it does mean that, but because the sign is showing that it's a minor exit and not a major exit, that arrow does not relate to that exit. It relates to that exit. Okay, so if you're going to Stokes Bay, you must use the left hand lane. If you're going to the industrial estate, you must use the left hand lane. And for anything else, ultimately going completely around the roundabout and back on yourself, you're going to use the right hand lane and use the ahead arrow. And if you're going towards Stubbington, which is the third exit, you're going to use the right lane using the ahead arrow. One of the easiest ways that the council could resolve this confusion 100% would be to put a right hand arrow in the right hand lane and a head and a left arrow in the left hand lane. Any confusion about this roundabout would be gone overnight just by changing 2 white lines. I hope that's made this a little bit clearer to everyone. Speak to you soon.